Hi guys, welcome to the Vegan Asian YouTube channel. My name is Tammy and I'm your host throughout all of these videos. I will show you how to make vegan food, including all of your favorite Asian meals. So let's get a little preview going. Not only will I show you how to make these easy recipes, I will also give you an insight on the Vegan Asian empire. I'm hosting supper clubs, doing pop-up restaurants, visiting vegan events, or simply inviting my friends to have a little bite of my vegan Asian food. On my channel, I will be posting a video every week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And since I'm launching on my birthday, the 29th of June, I will present you with not one, not two, but 3 videos this week. How great is that? Alright, so hit the like button, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, do whatever you can. Less talking, more cooking. See you soon. Bye!
Have some good